When you look in the mirror in the morning, what do you see? Do you ever find yourself gently pulling back the skin on your face, just for a second, to remember what it used to look like? Do you see the roadmap of a life well lived in those lines around your eyes or your mouth, but wish, just maybe, that roadmap wasn't quite so detailed? You are not alone. So many of us are told that wrinkles, age spots, and that dull, papery skin are just a non-negotiable part of getting older. We're told it's just gravity and time, and there's nothing to be done but accept it. But what if I told you that a significant part of how your skin ages is not written in stone? What if I told you that the key to winding back the clock, to helping your body erase some of those wrinkles and restore that youthful glow, isn't hiding in a $1,000 cream or at the end of a surgeon's needle? What if it's been sitting in your kitchen fruit bowl all along? For decades, we've been sold a bill of goods. We've been told to slather on chemicals, to try painful procedures, all while ignoring the most powerful and safest tool we have. The truth is, our skin is built from the inside out. What you eat today literally becomes your skin cells tomorrow. And many of us, even those of us who think we are eating healthy, are unintentionally starving our skin of the exact building blocks it needs to repair itself, to stay plump, and to stay strong. Growing older doesn't mean giving up on vibrant, beautiful skin. It doesn't mean giving up on feeling good about the face you show the world. It just means we have to get smarter. It means we have to use strategies that work with our body's natural wisdom, not against it. In this video, we are going to uncover 4 incredible fountain of youth fruits. These aren't exotic, impossible to find miracles. These are simple, delicious, and affordable foods that, when you understand how to use them, can empower your body to fight back against the clock. They can help you erase wrinkles, fade age spots, and restore that beautiful, healthy glow you thought was gone for good. I'm going to explain exactly why they work in simple, easy-to-understand terms and show you how you can start using them today, no matter your age. It is not too late to make a change. Before we dive into that first amazing fruit, I want to welcome you. If you care about your health, your vitality, and staying independent and feeling your best in your golden years, this is the community for you. Please consider taking just 1 second to subscribe to our channel and click that little bell icon. We share health tips for seniors that you just won't hear from your doctor. Tips that are practical, safe, and can make a real difference in your life. And I have a question for you, just so I know who I'm talking to today. Where in the world are you watching from? Are you in the United States, in Canada, the United Kingdom, perhaps Australia, or somewhere else entirely? Let me know in the comments below. I truly love, reading the comments and seeing how far our health community reaches. It makes me feel like we're all in this together, supporting each other. All right, are you ready? Let's talk about the first fruit on our list. This is one you probably know, but you may not know why it's such a skin superstar. I call it the inside-out moisturizer. I'm talking about the humble avocado. Now, I know many people got on the avocado toast trend, but this is so much more than a trend. For seniors, this fruit is an absolute powerhouse. The main reason: it is packed with healthy monounsaturated fats. Here's why that matters. As we age, our skin's biggest problem is that it loses its ability to hold on to moisture. It just can't. The natural oil barrier, the lipid barrier, as scientists call it, starts to break down. Think of your skin cells as little bricks. The mortar holding them together is made of these healthy fats or lipids. When we're young, that mortar is thick and strong. It keeps moisture locked in and keeps pollutants and irritants out. But as we get older, that mortar starts to crumble. We don't produce those fats as efficiently. The result? The bricks get loose. Moisture escapes. Your skin becomes dry, flaky, and thin, almost like parchment paper. You know that papery feeling on the back of your hands or on your cheeks? That is a broken lipid barrier. And when the skin is dry and deflated like that, every little line becomes a deep, set-in wrinkle. When you eat an avocado, you are literally eating the perfect building blocks to repair that mortar. The specific fat in avocado, called oleic acid, is incredibly hydrating. It penetrates deep into the skin's layers, not from the outside in like a cream, but from the inside out. It tells your skin cells, hey, hold on to that water. It reinforces that barrier. Imagine your skin is a dry, cracked sponge. You can run water over it and it just runs off. That's like putting a cheap lotion on top. But when you eat an avocado, it's like allowing that sponge to soak in a rich, nourishing oil from within. It plumps up. It becomes soft and supple again. The cracks, those fine lines, they just soften. They become less visible because the skin itself is healthier and more hydrated. And it's not just the fats. Avocados are also loaded with vitamin E. Vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant. If the fat is the mortar, vitamin E is the sealant. It protects those delicate fats from oxidizing, from going rancid. It's a protector. It fights off damage from the sun and the environment. Most of us are terribly deficient in vitamin E, and avocado is one of the best whole food sources you can find. There was a fascinating study published in the Journal of Cosmetic Dermatology in 2022. Researchers had a group of women eat 1 avocado a day for 8 weeks. Just 1 a day. At the end of the study, they measured their skin. The women who ate the avocados had significantly firmer, more elastic skin on their faces. The skin had literally bounced back. That's not magic. That's biology. They gave their bodies the exact material needed to rebuild. So, how do you use it? It's simple. You don't have to live on guacamole. My favorite trick: add half an avocado to your morning smoothie. I promise you, you will not taste it, but it will add an incredible silky creaminess. You can blend it with some berries, a little spinach. You're getting a powerhouse of nutrition. Or just slice a quarter of an avocado onto your salad at lunch, or mash it with a fork and use it on a piece of whole grain toast instead of butter. You are replacing a bad fat with a skin rebuilding fat. It's one of the easiest, most delicious swaps you can make. This is your daily dose of deep cellular moisturizer. But while avocado is busy rebuilding your skin's foundation and plumping it up from within, our next fruit is working on a different problem. It's playing defense. I like to call this next one nature's collagen protector. I'm talking about blueberries. Yes, these tiny little blue orbs. They are one of the most powerful anti-aging foods on the planet, especially for your skin. Their power comes from their color. That deep, rich, blue-purple pigment is a sign that they are loaded with a type of antioxidant called anthocyanins. Now, I know antioxidant is a word we hear all the time, but let's break down what it actually means for your wrinkles. All day long, your body is under attack from things called free radicals. Think of them as tiny, chaotic sparks flying around inside your body. They come from sunlight, from pollution, from stress, even from the normal process of breathing. They are unstable and they are destructive. When these tiny sparks hit the delicate structures in your skin, they cause damage. And their favorite thing to attack, your collagen. Collagen is the protein that makes up about 80% of your skin. It's the scaffolding. It's the rebar in the concrete. It's what makes young skin so firm, so plump, and so resilient. After age 60, our body's ability to produce new collagen plummets. But just as bad, these free radicals are actively destroying the collagen we still have. Every time a free radical zaps a collagen fiber, It's like a tiny scissor snipping it. The fiber becomes weak, brittle, and it breaks. Over time, millions of these broken fibers collapse. And what does that look like on the surface? A wrinkle, a sag, jowls. That's the scaffolding collapsing. So where do blueberries come in? Those anthocyanins, those antioxidants, are the firefighters. They fly around your body and hunt down those free radicals. They neutralize them. They put out the sparks before they can ever touch your precious collagen. Think about a freshly cut apple. You leave it on the counter, and what happens in just a few minutes? It turns brown. That is oxidation. That is free radical damage, happening right before your eyes. It's the same process that's happening to your skin, just much more slowly, every time you step outside. Now, what happens if you squeeze a little lemon juice, which is full of the antioxidant vitamin C, on that apple? It stays white. It stays fresh. You've protected it. Blueberries are your body's lemon juice. By eating them every day, you are providing your skin with a constant 24/7 internal shield against that browning, that aging, that oxidative stress. And it gets even better. Blueberries are also a fantastic source of vitamin C. While the antioxidants are protecting your existing collagen, the vitamin C is a critical building block for creating new collagen. You can't make new collagen without vitamin C. It's like trying to build a brick wall with no mortar. It's impossible. So, blueberries are doing double duty. They are the shield, protecting what you have, and they are the construction crew, helping you build new, strong collagen fibers. There was a study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry that was just mind-blowing. It found that the compounds in blueberries can actually inhibit or stop a nasty little enzyme in our skin called collagenase. The name says it all. This enzyme's job is to eat collagen, and it gets triggered by sun exposure. Blueberries essentially tell that enzyme to stand down. This is why they're so good at preventing sunspots or age spots. Those spots are just clusters of sun damage, of pigment that your skin can't clear away. By protecting your skin from the initial damage, blueberries help keep your skin tone clear and even. All you need is a handful. That's it. A small cup a day. And frozen blueberries are just as good as fresh. In fact, some studies show the freezing process breaks down the cell walls and makes those anthocyanins even easier for your body to absorb. So, buy the big bag of frozen wild blueberries. They're often cheaper and even more potent. Put them on your oatmeal in the morning. Blend them into that smoothie with your avocado. Stir them into a cup of plain yogurt. Or just eat them by the handful as a snack. You are literally eating a shield. You're protecting your skin's foundation from the inside out. Are you finding this useful so far? It's truly amazing what these simple foods can do when you understand the science, isn't it? If you're having a bit of a light bulb moment right now, do me a quick favor and tap that like button. It's a small thing, but it truly helps this video reach other seniors who might be feeling discouraged about their skin and just don't know where to turn. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is